Doggies.
Today we're making slime. Maybe I'm gonna use a chopstick.
You want to use a chopstick?
Yeah, I'm gonna need to use a chopstick. The more I mix, the more it gets off my hands. Okay, so let's do coloring. Let's see. I'll add it purple, and let's put a purple and extra blue. Purple and extra blue, so I need a lot of it. Now it's easier to take off me. Look it, it's getting off me. Purple and extra blue. That's what I'm gonna do. I can't move my arms. Move my arms. I'm so stuck. My hands are stuck. The only thing I can make is a purple spider web. I'm like a purple cobweb. Like my hands. It's so stiff. So slimy. Fully speed. I have gloves on. I have gloves on. I can touch anything. I can touch everything because I have gloves on. Well, I'm building 2 glovies. I don't have much gloves. Most slime will make it glovies. Ow, ow, ow. Ouch. Hey, look at this getting off me. Final touch, get it off of me. Slime. Okay, we're gonna end this video.
Okay.
I'm gonna end this video.
Please like and subscribe.
I think it's gonna be silly.